Welcome to the YouTube channel Just Information. So, today's topic is physical property, part 6 of chapter. So, nature of oxygen is colorless, odorless, and tasteless gas. Density. Oxygen gas is heavier than air. It is for the reason that there is no more oxygen near the earth and the amount of oxygen decreases as we go higher. Like this. This is air. VD. VD means, and this is oxygen VD. Oxygen VD. VD means volumetric density. (14.4) and this is 16. Solubility. Oxygen is sparingly soluble in water and its solubility decreases with increase of temperature. So there was an experiment done to prove solubility of oxygen. In a through of water, a jar containing oxygen gas is inverted and it is kept for a period of time. So this was the jar. And this is the liquid acid. Observation. Water rises very slightly up the through. Conclusion. Oxygen is very slightly soluble in water. Had it been very fairly or highly soluble, the water would have risen up sufficiently in the jar. Note: the small amount of dissolved water, dissolved oxygen is sufficient to maintain aquatic life, but the solubility of the water decreases with the rise in temperature, and this is one reason why fish die in the warm water. Liquefaction. Oxygen liquefies to pale blue liquid at -183 degrees Celsius and normal atmospheric pressure. Next is boiling point. Liquid oxygen boils at -183 degrees Celsius. The freezing point is solid oxygen is a pale blue snow-like solid which melts at -218.4 degrees Celsius. Now, I hope you've understood this property, physical property. Now we will start chemical property. So let's start. In chemical properties, first is combustibility. So, oxygen is non-combustible, that is, itself does not burn but supports combustion, helps other substances to burn in it. So, to confirm this, introduce a smoking wooden splinter in a jar full of oxygen. You will see that the splinter bursts into a flame. This proves that oxygen supports combustion and helps in burning. Next topic is controlling and burning due to oxygen. The percentage of oxygen in the atmosphere is about 21%. With such a high concentration of oxygen, the burning process should be very rapid and it should be difficult to control fires. But the greater percentage of inert nitrogen, 78%, dilutes the effect of oxygen, preventing the burning process. Nature. Oxygen has no effect on either moist blue litmus or moist red litmus. Hence, it is neither acidic nor basic. It is a neutral gas. Next is reactivity. It is chemically a very reactive element. Next topic is oxidation reaction. Oxygen reacts with all substances and oxidizes them to their respective oxides. This phenomenon is known as oxidation. Now there are 5 phenomenons. First is oxidation of non-metals. Second is oxidation of metals. Third is oxidation of food substances, respiration. Fourth is oxidation of hydrocarbons, and fifth is oxidation of sulfides. We'll learn this in the next part 7. I hope you have understood this part. For any queries and doubt, you can join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Like, this is the foundation of class 8. We have covered the foundation of class 7th too. The links are given in the description. Thank you for watching. Thank you.